Guys, just wanted to do a really quick LeetCode problem in Java. So I just want to make sure I'm consistent with these videos. So I'm going to just be doing this simple binary search tree problem. So I think what I can do is just use the helper function to do the traversal, and yeah, return this tree node. So I'll call this search BST helper. Tree node root int val. Then return this. Search BST helper root val. And then from here, and then it's pretty easy if root dot val. Let's make sure. Dot val equals val. Return root. And then also if root dot equals null, then return null, I guess. Return. Else, if this doesn't equal, then just go to the next one, which equals two of these, which is you just going to the next one. Okay, search BST. So yeah, basically what I'm doing is just going right and left. So root dot left val. Oh, so maybe I should just return. No, you're returning this, so yeah. So yeah, either returning or returning root. Okay. Okay, root dot right. So yeah, it's looking like if you're at the null point, then you just return. If you're at the val point, then you just return that specific branch. Now with these, do I have to combine them? Return true, true, true. Don't think that is an issue. Okay, I think this might be good to test. And we just basically create our own function. Oh, okay, and I have to return this. Okay. So you have to return a tree node. Return null. Let's try that out. $31. Oh, okay. Okay, just I guess you return root. Nothing happens. Null pointer exception. Okay. And it should have been 2, 1, 3. Okay, I see. Right. All right. So the issue is that this else equals val. So root dot val equals val. So this root should return. Okay, yeah. Interesting that the root dot left is not working. Maybe I'm accessing it in an incorrect manner. So that's an int, okay. So the int should work there too. You need to find a node that node's value equals the given value returned, thus root with that node. If it return null. Okay, perfect. So I shouldn't return null here. I should just break. So if I break, okay, if root, if root is null, return Java. Let's see. Maybe I should just get rid of null. Okay. And null. Okay, let's try it out. Okay. Else if. Maybe that's what we have to do. Okay, return null, whatever. Interesting. Okay. Still not understanding what the issue is here, because if you can get root.val not equal to null and is equal to val, then it should equal root Alright. So interesting. Because you want to return this because you're returning this. You are returning the tree node. Okay, but you're calling these. Okay, so now I'm just checking what happens if something is equal. Trying to see the equals. Maybe, okay, so number 4. And integer is equal into is equal. Okay, so maybe it's better to do the dot equals here. Int cannot be dereferenced. I wonder what the issue is here. So you have an integer right here. Okay. It's good to know what the difference between equals. Oh, okay. The memory location, so that's why it's different. Okay. Okay, so I've been using the Python. Okay. Okay, so how to make sure to do like root.val. Well, that's not what I'm looking for. Okay. Now I just gotta go back here. So somewhere along the way here, root.val.equals val should be right. Int cannot be dereferenced, so let's check that error. ID is primitive and not an object. You cannot call methods on primitive as you're doing. Try placing this. Oh. Get int. So int object. Okay, so maybe that's one I need to change. Dot int value. Int value. So maybe I have to do it this way. So maybe it's the opposite way around. Alright, I'm going to check into this, but guys, thanks for viewing. I'll try to figure this out. But Java is still a continuing journey, and I can't wait to show you guys more. Hope you have a good night, and cheers.